So the ingredients are 1 can of ready-to-eat chickpeas. This is a can of 400 grams, 1 onion and 1 clove of garlic, which I've sliced up into thin slices, olive oil. For the seasoning I'm going to use some dried oregano, some dried basil, pepper and salt. And finally we're going to serve this with this pasta. These are some small shells which make it easier to eat it with the chickpeas. It's called paprikate. This is just a suggestion, so you can basically eat it with whatever pasta you like. Take a pan and put it on a fire. Put a good amount of olive oil in there, because olive oil is going to be the base of the sauce. Turn down the fire to medium-low and add in your onions. Give it a good stir and add your garlic as well. I'm adding garlic this early to let it infuse the sauce with its flavors. Fry it on a medium to medium-low fire for a little bit. Season it with some oregano. You can be quite generous with it, and some basil. Give it a good stir. After this point you can add your chickpeas. Give it another stir. And now let them fry for a minute or two. So after a minute or two you can pretty much turn off the fire. You don't want to fry them too much because they will start exploding. At this point you can season it with some salt and some pepper. You can pretty much just serve this on some pasta, but what I like to do is just dump the pasta in the sauce. Give it a good coating of the sauce. You can add cheese, parsley, whatever you like to finish your pasta, but this is the basic recipe, so there you go.